So this is the back lane at level 21, just right here's the entrance to level 21, right at the back of it off SHAWARMA. And it's like a little gang, and this is where everyone parks. There's food courts over here. There's food courts everywhere on the street, it's all food. But this one's, eaten here before, it's always pretty good. So, alright. And I'm going to get a couple of plates of prawns. And they got no rice here, so we're going to buy some rib soup as well and just get rice with that. And a little Hong Kong place, it's Hong Kong Korean food. They do a lot of drinks, so we're going to get drinks here, prawns there, ribs from there and rice from there, and eat here. So, a bit of variety. An old mate on the front, busking for money. Give him 5,000, keep him happy. Yeah, it's not too bad here. You can sit outside as well. It's not so hot, and there's some great big giant fans inside. So, and when in the mall, it's a little bit too busy. It's just full. It's a Sunday, so they eat out the back here. It's a bit more quiet. So, all right. So these are the rib soup we got. We sort of just bought this because we need the rice for the prawns. All right, try out the soup. See what it's like. Nice. It's got like cloves and star anise or something in it. Yeah, it's sort of like oxtail soup. Ribs are really, really tender, eh? Yeah, it's good. This is our prawns, udon. We got sauce padang and garlic prawns. So that's why we got rice, just eat them with the rice. Thank you, bit. Alright, try these prawns out. It's one shell and all. She gave us a bit of sambal mata here, so sambal mata, prawn, a bit of rice. That's the way to eat it. That's better. This is a sauce padang, sort of sweet and tomatoey. So I got one of them. Try that out with a bit of rice. See what this is like. Yeah, I think the Penang ones are better than the garlic ones. Okay, not too bad. I'm going to hook in the rest of my soup. Otherwise, it's good. I think my favourite is which one? Which one do you think? The sauce Penang ones, yeah, prawns. Pretty good, yeah. All right.
The best seller.
Oh, yeah. So she said, they said it's the best seller. It tastes good. Yeah. A little treat for Lucy, a few little ribs, the fatty ribs. Right, yeah, so it's good. And he wasn't so busy, and food was pretty good actually. Not quite sure of the price. About 160,000. Yeah, it'll be about $14. So that's not too bad. Yeah. Anyway, that's the mall, and this little back street behind that level 21 mall. There's just dentists everywhere along there. There's a lot of dentists along here. It's like Dentist Street. So I'll try and find a link to the name of this street and leave it in the comments, yeah. Alright, so this is the other little food court in here. That's the entrance to the mall. It's in there, the south entrance. And it's the same as Goss Road, a bit more modern. And just have a quick look around. And it's open to, it's the car park in the back. I didn't know that. So it opens up to a big car park in the back out here. And it's the same thing, just little separate Warungs and stuff everywhere. I didn't know there was a car park here. So anyway. Well, it's a big car park, goes up a couple of levels. This is part of the 21 mall parking as well. So, but you got to come downstairs, walk across to get in. We're at CABEAN now. CABEAN is a term they use for the young little like teenage girls that hang around the shopping centres looking for the brondongs, the young boys, and that's a CABEAN, the little teenage girls, you know, always hanging around the mall and looking for boys. And yeah, so this is a CABEAN restaurant, and I suppose like nasi campur, or just pick what you want. Healy's going to get some nasi campur. I might get some rawon, black beef soup, so I suppose that's like rawon. I've also got a tamarind beef soup And soup, he got his ribs, rib soup. I'll just get some. Open it up and give it a stir, see what it's like. Look at it. That's got little ribs in it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ini per porsi ya?
Alright, so I'm just going to get a rib soup and some white rice. Yeah. Este tawar. Unless I get the tamarind soup, it'd be sour, wouldn't it? Tamarind.
Sayur
Tamarind.
Ini let's have a bit sour.
So there's a tamarind soup and the other one, I don't know what the other one is. Oh, chicken curry soup. Chicken curry. That might be alright. And this is the
broccoli.
So here you just pick what you want. They just, you know, morning glory, which is kangkong, water spinach.
Yeah,
it looks pretty good.
yeah.
Grab me an egg. Balado. Telur balado.
Kamu balado satu.
Alright, so Yuli's going to get champo, I'll get the soup. So what, do you get your own soup, or what? So Yuli just got nasi champo mixed. Look at the size of these things, are full pint glass teas, pretty good. Thank you. Alright, nasi putih, white rice, and my rawon, or black nut soup. Out here with all the gardens behind glass and that's really nice. And also a little private aircon room. Yeah, how cool is this? The soup's pretty good. Got the little meat chunks in it. So I'm going to do this Yuli style and put my soup onto the rice. Fry it out, bit of the meat, bit of the rice. Really good. Okay, so that was pretty good. Yuli's was about 30,000 or something, 34,000, about $3. Mine was about the same, so, and with the drinks, about $8 for a feed here is pretty good. Warung CABEAN. And yeah, check it out, it's on Jalan Nakula. So we're going to try the BULKAN shawarma. A little shawarma restaurant, so like, you know, Balkan Serbian food and stuff like that, Turkish food. Alright. So this is a little kitchen in here. They cook all the stuff. Oh yeah, they got whole chickens and that as well, barbecue chickens as well. It's pretty good. Alright, so you can get mixed grill for 3 people. Alright, 245,000, all different mixed grills. Chicken mixed grill. So Yuli wants this mixed grill for 1. Well, they've got these Serbian burgers and they've got shawarma, so that's what I'm going to try out. Alright, so I'm going to get a shawarma, probably a chicken shawarma and a small Serbian burger. And they sell pizzas too. Romanian food, chicken barishka, salad and beef goulash with rice, alright. Goulash as well. They've also got deals like this, like you get a shawarma and a chababi small and 2 iced teas, so you can get little packages as well.
Do you want baked crisp?
Yeah, crispy. Alright, so this is Yuli's. Wow, it looks good. So you get some little mini shish kebab things, some meat, some like biryani style rice and salad, and what's that, like blood sausage or something? Alright, oh, falafel, alright. Looks good. Might be too big for you, I'll have to eat half of it for you. Anyway, it definitely looks good, doesn't it? So what do you think, darling? It's nice. It looks good. So what's that falafel you reckon like? It looks like a sausage, doesn't it? Like blood sausage.
Sausage.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so I got a large shawarma chicken and one of the Serbian burgers, and they're pretty big. Look at that. It's in 2 bits. And I suppose I'll take the big one first. And just check that out. It's chocolate block. Anyway, we'll hook into this and try it out. Okay, let's check out the size of this thing. I'll rip a bit of the paper off it. I can get at it. Look at the size of that. It's really big. Wow, the meat's really tender. Might have something like hummus or something on it too. Got some sort of spice on it. I can't put my finger on it. Some sort of bumbu spice mix, but yeah. I think they're homemade. The breads that they wrap them in, the wraps are homemade. All right. Thank you. All right, and here's my Serbian burger. All right, so it's not a bread roll. It's like a homemade, like made from the dough from the wrap. All right, so it's like a smash burger. It's got some tomato and onions on it, and a bit of extra tomato and onion on the side. All right, so I'll just finish off this half of the shawarma. So I can always take the other one home, then I'll hook into the burger. Try this out. And this is a small one. You can get small and large. So the big ones must be damn big, because it's probably as big, if not bigger, than a normal burger. It's unusual, the taste. The bread rolls are probably, just like a normal white bread roll, really, but some egg and beetroot and all that on it would be the go. Otherwise, it's not too bad. But the shawarma is really good. So I'm going to hook into the rest of this and just take out the meat in it. There's stacks of meat in it. So for value, the shawarmas they're good size and it's good value. Yeah. Okay, so definitely the shawarma was way better than the burger. I don't sort of like the bread that much. It was all right, but it was definitely better once I put a bit of salad on it. But anyway, I suppose it's worth a look. The price is all right. So Julie reckons that her mixed box was really good. Mixed krill box, yeah, it was really good. So if we come back in next time, I'll try that. Right, so there's also a little coffee shop next door in between the Shuka Grill that we went for Yuli's birthday and the shawarma place. Yeah, it's a nice little coffee shop. Big coffee machine. Got like croissants and cinnamon rolls, things like that. Got like pizza. And the cakes look good. Look at these cheesecakes. Chocolate mousse, original cheesecake, raspberry coconut cake. Yeah. Cakes look good. So they also sell breads and different types of bread and stuff in here too. Yeah, good little coffee shop. Alright, so I'll wait for Yuli out here. Yeah, so this little complex is pretty good. It's got the shawarma, the coffee shop, and the Shuka Grill. Yeah, it's not too bad. So if you keep following this road, Jalan Tukalma down, the KABAK jail's just down the road about probably a kilometre and a half down the road. So yeah, there's a lot of Westerners stopping into this place actually, the shawarma place while we're eating. So it must be sort of popular. And anyway, get out of your comfort zone, get out of Sanur, get out of Seminyak and have a look around in Denpasar and some of these other areas, because that's where the good food is. Alright, anyway, it's about the end of this video. You know the drill, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.